Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the virtual soil mechanics laboratory at Prince Sultan University. Today I am going to demonstrate the specific gravity of soil experiment for you. So first I will go over the equipment required for this conducting this experiment. You will need a weighing balance with a sensitivity of 0.01 gram. You will need pycnometers, at least 3, and you will need a sample of dry soil if it is a granular soil, and if it is a cohesive soil then you have to convert it into a paste, let it dry for about half an hour, then you can use it. But we are going to use a granular soil, so we will directly pour it into the pycnometer. Okay, so the first step is to determine the empty weight of the clean pycnometer, and that is recorded as W1. Okay, then the dry soil sample is transferred to the pycnometer. Okay, and now you have to check its weight. Care should be taken, it should not be more than half of the pycnometer. Now this weight is determined, that is the weight of the pycnometer plus the dry soil sample, and this is recorded as W2. And then you need to add water to the top of the pycnometer. Okay, and when you press the lid, the excess water is just squeezed out. Okay, so now this is the soil and the pycnometer plus water to the top. So this is soil and water in the pycnometer to the top, but you need to remove the air. Okay, so you need to shake a bit and you see the air coming out. Okay, it can also be heated to expel the air from it, heated and then shaken. Okay, once the air is expelled, you can check the weight, and that will be recorded as W3. Okay, so now this is the weight of the dry soil sample in the pycnometer plus water to the top, and this is recorded as W3. And the final step is to take out the soil and the water from the pycnometer and determine its weight by just adding distilled water to the top, and that will be recorded as W4. So this soil is washed out from the pycnometer. You have to use the same pycnometer to do to check all the weights. So I'm just washing this out to clean it from the soil and water. Can you pause? Okay, so once the pycnometer is cleaned of the soil inside it, okay, and also the water, you can even wipe it off with a cloth to just remove all the water. Then the weight is checked, and you have to fill it with distilled water to the top, and then take its weight. So now you have distilled water to the top, and now you check its weight, and this weight is recorded as W4. Once you have all these weights, W1, 2, 3 and 4, then you can do the calculations to find out the specific gravity. And this has to be performed for at least 3 samples to take the average value.